Waveshare 1.75 plus Cursor vibe coding, a voice-to-do assistant. Step 1. Clone the DuckyClaw repo. Open the DuckyClaw website. Select the Waveshare dev board. Then open the Quick Start guide. Locate the Clone the repo step. Copy the repo URL. Click Clone Repo in Cursor. Paste the copied repo URL. Automatic installation. Step 2. Install the TuyaOpen DevSkills workflow in Cursor. Open the TuyaOpen website. Copy the workflow installation prompt for the TuyaOpen DevSkills. Paste the prompt into Cursor chat to auto-install the workflow. Workflow automatic installation completed. Step 3. Create a product and get credentials PID at AuthKey. Back to the Quick Start guide. Locate the Step 5. Edit application configuration. Click the link to enter Tuya Developer Platform and start creating your product. This is your PID. Next, obtain your UUID and key. Click on Hardware Development. Click on Get Free. Download your UUID and key now. Step 4. Build and flash with Cursor. Use this prompt in Cursor to build and flash the firmware. Cursor will start building and flashing automatically. Step 5. Activate and pair in Smart Life app. Open the Smart Life app on your phone. Complete Wi-Fi provisioning, pairing, and device activation. Step 6. Add the to-do list feature. Ask Cursor to implement the Toto UI and scheduled list page. Prompt. Step 7. Build and flash again. Demo what you'll get. Voice conversation. Add to-do items. Scheduled tasks content plus due time.
Hey Tuya, help me add the 4 p.m. meeting to the to-do list.
Absolutely. I'm adding it now. I've added your 4 p.m. meeting to your to-do list.
等一下。好，换一下。要不行。